want to say. You look... Megan, are you okay? Oh.
I think my chest was probably just tight.
Oh, my God.
You got food poisoning from that restaurant, didn't you?
No, I had the same thing that she had, and I feel fine.
Oh, my... Okay.
Oh, no.
Nothing's happening.
Oh, my God.
You know, I don't really care which dress we get. It doesn't matter to me. I just need to get off this white carpet.
No, okay. No, not the bathroom. Everybody go outside. I'm serious. There's a bathroom across the street.
Everybody has the flu. You don't look very well, Annie.
I feel fine. Are you sure it wasn't that gray kind of lamb, or you ate a lot of that weird chicken? Was it that?
No. I feel fine. I think you'd just feel better if you threw up. I don't have to throw up.
Oh!
I'm so sorry. Get away from me!
You're not sick. No. In fact, Helen, I'm hungry, and I wish I had a snack. You're hungry? Starving.
She's lying.
What did we eat? Oh, things are gone. What are you doing? It's coming out of me like lava. You're looking at me.
It's coming out of me like lava.
Jordan,
It's burning.
great. Thank you. Better? Oh, she's doing great.
Yeah, everybody's really sick from that restaurant. But it wasn't the restaurant.
No.
Oh, no. Where are you going?
I need a bathroom.
No, where are you going?
Gotta go.
It's happening. It's happening. It happened. It happened. Oh, no. You're there ruining this dress. Well, you're really doing it, aren't you? You're shitting in the street.
We'll just take plastic strips for you. Thank you, Whitney. They really do look better.